buying my stuff and he walked up and he was like, oh, I'll pay for everything, right? I'll pay for everything. And this girl, in the middle of this conversation, this man was just talking, telling me what his job was about. Him owned some business place, and he was just talking, after paying for her bill. This girl in the middle of this conversation, oh, where's the car key? Where's the car key? And these are the little stuff that the show me say, this is a cup running over. This is a cup running over. Like, enough is enough. Like, your attitude is stink. Like, I can't be around people like that. The stink fucking face and them kind of something that me can't deal with it. I'm gonna just suck it and take it. You understand? I'm not gonna say me the bestest person for deal with it, but I mean, like, come on, we're in public now. Like, don't fucking act like that in public in front of this fucking man way. Me just meet. You understand me I say? I don't like those kind of attitude and stuff like that. So, I mean, some friend, you just have to cut them off. And then the laziness, and it's just me paying for every fucking thing. Like, bro, whenever you're elevating in life, taking from me, be around fucking successful people. Be around successful people. If you have people on your way, evil, I try to help them to get a job. Multiple times I would ask this B, do you want a job? I could ask this person if you could get a job at their place, or I could ask somebody if they need a work or whatever it is, and you could actually get a job. Like, like, I know people. Me know people. Me can ask people. Me know people who hire people. Me know people who own businesses. You get me I say? Me could have get a job. And every single time I would say, B, would you like to become a waitress? Boy, me not like waitress work. Me can't bother to deal with people. Would you like to work at a call center? Call center work mad you out and stress you out. Would you like to no. When you come around, you don't pay for no bills. It's just me going to these restaurants spending up to 20,000, 15 grand. It's just me trying to make everything work, trying to make this person happy who seems fucking ungrateful. It's just me doing every fucking thing, and you're not my fucking bitch. I'm not fucking you. I was just tired of that friendship, and I'm so happy. I'm over it. I'm very fucking happy. Non-progressive people need to stay far from you when you're trying a life. They will suck you down to fucking nothing at all, and them now come. She never once buy me a fucking birthday gift, and after me and her stopped talking, me even look into that. That girl never fucking buy me nothing for my birthday or my Christmas, and every fucking Christmas she can come and admit and say this girl always give me something, but she never even give me no answer, because to me somebody sent a comment section she was an opportunist, and that was exactly what she was. She don't like me, obviously. She never liked me as a friend, and I don't give a fuck, right? She never liked me as a friend. And she was just around me because of what she could have benefited. You understand what I say? But after she said something to me, that was what opened up my eyes. Know that this is not the kind of people that I want to be around. Not even people my hardly know now come around me and say things like this. You get me I say? Like, I have people I never close with when defend me behind my back. And when me hear this young lady go tell me, say, in the midst of the whole froggy situation, she would take money from Froggy behind my back. I go say, oh, say she cannot defend me publicly because nobody likes me. I know this is not the bitch that I need to be a friend with. This is where I cut this ungrateful bitch off, because on top of that, you take money from somebody that was supposed to be my fiance behind my back. You're a fucking serpent. You're a fucking snake. After me, I do all of them something here for you and be such a fucking nice person to you and be such a fucking nice friend to you for years. You understand me? I say, I don't care how much loyalty where you do or whatever food you bring to the hospital while I was 14 years old. It was just over and done with. I'm kind of happy to me I enter 2024 without that bitch. She don't deserve to be a part of my story. She don't deserve to be a part of my life. As a matter of fact, she's a part of my story. Because at some point, she used to be there as a friend. And I do appreciate and I love her kindness. Anything good people do for me, I always remember it, but still that don't mean say you're not a good person or you just fuck up in some parts. You understand what I say? Yes. The girl was lazy, she lacked effort, she didn't want to work, not what all she never want to do. At the same time, she tell me what people say about me. She go around people who bash me and bring me down and talk about my hype. Them country, but to girl, they will live a Center Mass or wherever the fuck them live, Portland or wherever they live.